the excitement is always about the design and the construction, putting it together, and these months before you actually go on site, where all those involved, all the team of people, all the artisans come together. We've got a single aim, and it's just fantastic to see ideas come together. And the fact that you've got more than one brain working on it means that you kind of egg people on. You all encourage each other to perform at your highest level, and so the aim is always to achieve more than you would normally. I love working with artisans. It's something I've always done, and there are a lot of designers who are not so keen on collaborations, but I love them, again, because I always think that several minds are better than one. And I have the big ideas, but I don't have the skill with the materials to understand its full potential, and the artisans do. So bringing that big thinking along with those incredible skills usually ends up with something really special. And quite often there's those elements of serendipity, those things that happen that you didn't even plan for, and that's always really exciting. Well, if I had the answer to where the ideas come from, I think I'd be equally surprised. I don't know, when I get an approach on a project and I'm given a brief, my brain just goes into overdrive, and I literally have an instant response of what, if you like, that question they've placed means to me. And so the old sketch pad comes out, and I just draft ideas, what I call my fat pencil work. And it's literally a kind of three-dimensional diagram of how my brain's working. And one thought leads to another. And I actually have some crazy ideas, but out of those crazy ideas comes something that's really exciting, but you can interpret on the ground. Because for Chelsea, you have to be one step ahead, if you like. You're always thinking about the next best thing. You know, how can you do something that is going to excite people, that's going to be new to people? And so it allows your brain to just go into overdrive, and really that's it. I'm not sure how it happens, the science behind it, but yeah, they just kind of, all these thoughts just come out of my head, and I just make every effort to throw them all down on a piece of paper.